Hazrat Ali described about wealth as La yambaghi lil abdi an yasiqal ghina. It isn't suitable for any person to depend upon wealth. Baina tarahu ghaniyan is iftakara. Now you see a person wealthy, but he becomes poor and indigent. Kullu ma'dudin munqazin. What counts has to come to an end. Lam yazhab min malika ma wa'azaka. Your wealth did not go waste, which caused a lesson and a piece of advice for you. He said, Al-Ghiyal Akbarul Yaso Amma fi Aidin Nas. The greatest wealth isn't to rely on what is in the hands of others. He mentioned, Inna azamal hasarati yawmal qiyamati hasratu rajulin kasaba malan fi ghairi ta'atillah. On the day of resurrection, the greatest regret will be the person who gained wealth by disobeying Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hazrat Ali advised, Sharikullazi qad aqwala alayhi rizk. Partner with the one to whom you have turned your abundant sustenance. فَإِنَّهُ أَخْلَقُ لِلْغِنَى وَأَقْدَرُ بِإِقْبَالِ الْحَظِّ عَلَيْهِ. Because in it there is more possibility of getting wealth and more chance of good luck. He further described, Al-ghina fil ghurbati watanun wal fakru fil watani ghurbatun. If there is wealth, then there is homeland even in the foreign country, and in poverty the homeland is also a foreign country. He further said, Al-afafu zinatul faqr wa shukru zinatul ghina. Chastity is the jewel of poverty and gratitude is the adornment of the rich. He further mentioned, a person who is attached to you when you are rich will not care about you when you will become poor.